In ancient Japan, they called it Kome no Togijiru, the water left behind after washing rice. In Rome, they crowned emperors with the leaf that kills root rot. Both ingredients cost less than a dime. The fertilizer industry charges $15 to $40 for revival products. The original formula? 10 cents. It has been sitting in your kitchen for 10,000 years. 2 ingredients, 1 protocol, and a compound hidden inside a common spice that kills the #1 root pathogen on Earth. Today, the archive investigates. You cannot sell what a kitchen gives for free. Unless you teach people their kitchen has no power. The archive opens in a rice paddy. 7th century, Nara, Japan. A woman kneels beside a row of seedlings. She pours the cloudy water from her morning rice wash onto the young roots. The mist is still rising. The only sound is water meeting soil. Thousands of miles west, on the shores of the Mediterranean, Romans crowned their emperors with the leaf of Laurus nobilis, a plant they believed held the power to purify. 2 civilizations, 2 ingredients, 1 kitchen truth that would survive 10,000 years until someone decided it was not profitable enough to remember. But before the science, there is someone you should meet. There is a plant shop near my house. The owner, 73 years old, keeps a peace lily on the counter. It has bloomed every single year for 19 years. I asked her what brand of fertilizer she uses. She looked at me like I had asked the wrong question. I wash rice every morning. The water goes to my plants. I add a bay leaf when the soil smells wrong. I have never bought a bottle of anything. 19 years. $0. 1 plant that refuses to stop blooming. She did not know the science. She did not need to. But we do. 10,000 years of Asian agriculture. Every kitchen produced a byproduct no one thought to throw away. In Japan, they called it Kome no Togijiru, the washing water. They used it on hair, on skin, and on every plant in the garden. In India, it was kanji. In China, it was simply the water you saved. In the Philippines, in France, across every culture that grew rice, the same practice, the same result. Every kitchen on Earth already had the formula. They just did not call it fertilizer. Laurus nobilis, the laurel wreath of Apollo, the symbol of Roman victory. But long before it was a crown, it was medicine. 3,000 years of Ayurvedic practice used bay leaf to treat infections, fungi, and bacteria. The essential oil inside this leaf contains a compound called eugenol, 40 to 50% of its total composition, and another compound, 1,8-cineole, that attacks bacterial pathogens on contact. But there is one thing this leaf does to root pathogens that modern science calls extraordinary. We will get to that. So if everyone knew this, why did we stop? Miracle Grow did not invent plant nutrition. They repackaged what every grandmother already knew and charged $40 for it. The global fertilizer market is worth over $200 billion. Houseplant care products alone are growing 8% every single year. The original formula? 3 spoons of rice, 3 bay leaves, hot water. 10,000 years of field testing, 0 patent, 0 profit. That is why you have never heard of it. We did not forget. We were taught to forget. But science does not forget. And here is what the research actually shows. Vitamin B1, thiamine. It activates root cell division. When a root is dying, thiamine tells the cells to split and rebuild. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. It drives chlorophyll synthesis. That is how brown leaves turn green again. Potassium and phosphorus, the 2 minerals that trigger flower induction. the reason a peace lily decides to bloom instead of merely survive. And the starch in rice water creates a protective film that feeds beneficial microorganisms in the soil. The same microbes that keep pathogens in check. The compound is eugenol. It makes up 40 to 50% of bay leaf essential oil, and it kills Fusarium oxysporum, the #1 root rot pathogen on Earth. 1,8-cineole, the second compound, attacks Pythium and Rhizoctonia, two more fungi responsible for root decay in houseplants. This is not folklore. Published research in plant pathology confirms eugenol's antifungal properties against Fusarium species. This is phytopathology. Step 1. 3 spoons of uncooked rice and 3 bay leaves. Grind them together. Step 2. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water, not boiling. Let it steep for 1 hour. Step 3. Add 1 liter of room temperature water. Stir, strain. Step 4. Remove the plant from its pot. Cut away every brown, mushy root. Soak the remaining roots in the solution for 15 minutes. Step 5. Wipe every leaf with the solution. This removes fungal spores from the surface. Step 6. Repot in fresh soil. 50% garden soil, 50% coconut coir. Step 7. Set up bottom watering. Place the pot in a tray of the solution and let capillary action draw moisture upward. Not boiling water, hot. Not 3 hours, 1 hour. Concentration matters. Results vary. This is not a guarantee. It is a protocol backed by 10,000 years of practice and modern biochemistry. One thing before you begin. This is not a miracle cure. Results depend on the severity of root damage, light conditions, and how consistently you follow the protocol. Peace lilies contain calcium oxalate, a mild oral irritant for pets. Place recovered plants out of reach of cats and dogs. And one more reason to save them. NASA's Clean Air study found peace lilies remove benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene from indoor air. Worth saving. Someone left this plant on the sidewalk. Brown leaves, dry soil. A pot cracked at the base. It was trash day. Someone else walked past, stopped, picked it up, went home, washed some rice, crushed a bay leaf. 2 months later, it bloomed. Not because of a miracle product, because of a memory, a kitchen, a grandmother who never explained why she poured cloudy water on her garden. She just did. It did not die, it waited. For someone who remembered what a kitchen can do. It was never complicated. We just forgot. 2 months from now, a leaf unfurls, white, perfect, from a plant the world gave up on. Comment below. Which plant in your home is struggling right now? I read every comment. Go grow something beautiful. If knowledge like this should not be forgotten again, you know what to do.